S2K, brother, Honda, brother. In high school, this was my dream car. That rig setup is insane. Alright, guys, some quick touches on the front lip because last time we went out to the marina, we busted it. Other than that, it's really just this spot right here. Who is that guy? We are back in business. That being said, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Special guest right here. If you guys don't know, he will break your carbon fiber lips 100%. But as I was saying prior, lip is good for now. Gas station. If you guys are new to the channel, do us the favor, go down, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. We are gonna be linking up with the boy Steffo. Pump some gas right now. He did get an S2K, a little graduation present for himself. After that, we're gonna try to get some rollers and all that good stuff. I think I'm gonna be tossing keys to my little brother, so he's gonna be driving the M, and I'm gonna be test driving the S2K, so y'all stay tuned for that. Quick windshield wipe, because this thing is filthy. You guys can kind of tell. Shout out to Lil Bro. He's about to get the keys, so I mean, it makes up for it. But next stop, SF State. Guys, on the 340. But change of plans, we're actually heading to, whose house? Eden's house. Quick lineup. If you guys don't remember previous video, the boy Steffo had a what, Yamaha? No, it was a
Ninja 650 Kawasaki.
There we go, Kawasaki. This boy pulled out fresh. Not only that, but grad present for this guy, S2K. Yuli pulling out the F type right now. And then I believe we're bringing our Johnson's pulling up, but boy's about to toss keys to the S2K. I might buy it off of him. I don't know yet. S2K, brother, Honda brothers. But S2K, if you guys don't know, fun fact, but in high school, this was my dream car. And now that I'm actually sitting in one, it's crazy. Unfortunately, in high school, I was pretty broke, so I couldn't afford one, but
Let's make sure we get a move with this. He's asking.
it's good. This is crazy. Super fire. Hey, congrats on this again, bro. Yeah, this shit is fire. Well, I mean, whose dream would it not be? Revs all the way to 9 is insane. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna toss keys over, or not keys, but cameras over to my brother, get a quick POV on this S2K and the M4, actually.
Huh?
Shit is nimble.
It's what? Nimble?
Nimble, yeah. Like the power of the steering is responsive.
Oh, yeah. I'd hope so.
Hope so, man. This guy to go to SJ for it.
Yeah.
That boy Johnson's probably tripping right now.
For
Does he
real.
have the
Fuck, I
address?
should have gone with him.
First thoughts, haven't really pushed it yet, but Johnson, that boy's geeking out on the M4. If you guys look behind us, he is right behind us. Posted. Boy still has his left blinker on. And he doesn't know how to drive a Beaver. He got it.
Hey, how you liking it? Hey, how you liking it?
How you liking the Beaver experience?
How you liking it?
What?
How you liking it?
Fucking love this shit. Okay. Canon R10, can't go wrong. Cameraman himself, about to be working the magic. But yeah, we just pulled up, all three lined up, and this guy.
I'm just here for the food.
But yeah, we're gonna get some rollers. Like I said, I'm gonna be in the S2K, homie's gonna be in the M4, and then the boy Steffo in the R6. Quick update, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Cameraman working the magic. You guys see the M4 in the back? Oh my god, that rig setup is insane. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Get a straight POV of this though with the VTEC and all, but we are cooking. forget it's summer now. Sir, give me a little homie
Yes,
quick
sir.
POV.
Yes, sir. This is sick, bro. It's hard to see low key.
Low key, yeah. These boys probably got the seat hella down though.
I can't even see over the steering wheel.
Give it a quick rev. We are reporting live from the gas station. So, gonna pump some quick gas. Steffa was low on the bike. Put a bit of gas on the S2K. After that, I think I'm really trying to get a POV. I'm gonna try to hit VTEC on the way back. Hopefully my co-pilot can grab the camera so I can get you guys quick POV. We are gonna bump start his bike because this boy was on and off. Experience of a lifetime.
Bro, get an M.
Get an M. He said it first.
Get an M.
And don't forget to subscribe, y'all, because we love y'all. We love y'all.
Like, just do it.
Just do it, bro. It's free. It's free.
Everything. Click every button.
Click every button. There it is. Buy a bike, they said.
I can't handle it.
Bro can't handle it.
Try to go.
RV's the funnel out here.
There we go. We live. Tell that boy to sell the bike.
Huh?
Tell him to sell the bike.
Yeah, nah,
Sell that bike.
Get an M.
Get an M. Sorry, y'all. Cruising back to the city. Every downshift, I fall more and more in love with this car. I feel like even more when it comes to the VTEC. I'm gonna do a quick pull in the tunnel. Slow down a little bit. Once again, shout out to Stefo for letting me borrow this. And shout out to Charlie who's behind the camera.
Yes, sir.
If y'all contemplating about getting an S2K, don't contemplate it, get it.
Buy it right now.
Cool little vibe for sure. That boy Johnson is enjoying the whip right now. Ah, boy. Let me know if you guys can hear those front mount intakes, y'all. Fire. That being said, though, I can't go wrong with this S2K. Once again, shout out Stefo for tossing keys to this. We're basically rounding down the vlog now. We're gonna post up, round up with the rest of the gang, and then go from there. What the fuck? But y'all see it. S2K thing. Ah, boy. Thumbs up, y'all. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. The last quick little downshift. And we are back, y'all. Home sweet home. Boy Stefo. Yes, sir. Rounding it down, rounding it down. Yet again, shout out Steph for letting toss keys. This guy was whipping them. That boy was whipping them. But that being said, I think we got some good footage. But y'all stay tuned for the next video. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Authentic, y'all.